Friday. It is September 8th. Happy birthday to my dear brother-in-law, Pat. Welcome to the big 7-0. It only gets better, I think. Promise. All right. When Chrissy and I were at market in June, we went to the Baah booth, which we carry Baah Yarn and the fingering weight. But she had this example of this hat, this bobble hat was on display, which I thought was so cute. And it has the fox pom-poms that we carry. And this is her pattern. So I decided it's mammoth yarn. It is a super bulky, and it is space dyed to create intermittent pooling. Is that what they call it? Assigned pooling. I'm sorry, assigned pooling. So this one is mostly black with little pops of white. And this is what the hat looks like. So cute and amazing. So this is the ribbing, and then you start, and every time you come to the white section, you stop and make a bobble, right? So they are spaced all around the hat. And then, of course, we put on a fabulous fox pom-pom. The yarn is $38. The pom-pom is $38. It's not inexpensive, but it's fabulous, fabulous. Now, you could also, with this black and white one, put on a red pom-pom, which looks amazing. Or you could put on a black pom-pom, which looks amazing. Lots of choices, but I have plenty of white ones. So this is the hat. It's the bobble hat. And I want to show you the other colors that I purchased, the other colorways, and the hat, the pom-pom that goes with. All right. So we got the black and white. Then we got the red and white. This is called Santa's hat. This is the picture on the pattern. And of course, we paired it with a white fox pom-pom. All right. Next is Interstellar Shadow. This amazing blue with this pop of orange. Oh my gosh. What? Yes, it's amazing. Now remember, the bobbles will be in the orange. The hat will be blue. Fantastic. You're going to want it. This one is called Free Spirit. This is turquoise and sort of an orchid magenta color. Well, not magenta, orchid color. Yeah. Anyway, I see that pop of light in there, so we put a hot pink on top. Love it. Think it's amazing. Then, as my grandson says, orange. This one is Dream Girl. And look at that. Reminds you of all that Barbie stuff we've seen this summer, right? So with this one, we have picked a beautiful rosy pom-pom. But for that matter, if you were so inclined, you could do orange, right? All kinds of choices. And last but not least, this is the Magician. You know I love the Magician. It is a lime green hat with this pop of purple. And of course, a purple pom-pom. All right, once again, that's all it takes. 38 and 38, 76. It's an expensive hat, but it's worth it. It's a showstopper. All right, such a fun gift to make for the holidays. I'm getting you ready. Come on, think about Christmas. It'll be amazing. Okay, I think that's all I have for today. Have a lovely evening, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. We've got guests coming in for town, so I may not get a video made. But anyway, if that's the case, I'll see you Monday.